Alright guys, what's up? It's 5th of August today and 2020 and we are on a Wednesday. So let's check out what we have. I think we got stopped out. We got 7 positions right yesterday. So let's see the history. Got stopped out of gold. Made some losses, about 13 bucks. So let's take a look at gold. Did it go higher? Yeah, it did. Ooh, interesting. So it went higher, and then this time around is there's another round of what do you call it? Bearish divergence. So it's a bit hard to make this trade. The second time round, although there's a bearish divergence. So we just I'm tempted to make this trade, but let's come back to it later. So we made losses for gold. Let's see what else. Currently, Loonies is making the most losses. We'll get into that later. For Euro, we're making good profits. Pound Yen, small losses on Euro Yen. Cotton is making good profits, and Aussie Dollar is making some small profits. So let's get right into it. Aussie Dollar, we actually shorted it. Looking at the situation, we probably should take profits soon. Yeah, so it actually came back down and then went back up. So I think we're gonna get stopped out really soon. So let's just close profits for this one. I think on hindsight we should have closed when we could. We should get out a bit earlier. So we get out with a bit of profits. I think looking back, I should have just, when it was down or pretty down on a couple of days back, I should just take profits. Yeah, so that's something that I think it's good for me to just reflect on. That being said, trend is up, blue line is up, red line is down, so it will take off these higher numbers. So we see that it's a cross current trade coming down in this picture, so no trades for now. Cotton went up, trend is up, red and blue is up, and that actually is gonna be taking off these numbers. So we could actually take profits as well from here. Let's see. Yeah, but I think it should continue upwards picture, but a little disappointing in terms of the pause over the couple of days back. So yeah, this is something that I think we could still continue to trade, but with this kind of like slowing off over here, so just need to be a bit more cautious, I would say. Other than that, we should be all right. Tempted to move a stop loss to somewhere around the trend line over here at 61. Let's see, 6. I think this is a good line for it to continue its upwards movement. Let's see. The first line. Yeah, so let's do the close of this 61.90 for the stop loss. 61.90. What's this? What's this doing here? Uh. 61.90. Modify. Okay, so we actually have modified it. I think it's kind of weird that this is like, yeah, okay, never mind. Anyway, so where were we? We are at cotton. So we actually shifted the stop loss and to move it here closer to our entry point. So we could just let it ride for now. We could even take profits on this. Should I take profits? I'm kind of looking at taking profits. Cotton, trend up. This is up. This is a bit flat. Over the next couple of days, it'll be strongly up. I'll hold it on. I think it's a good place to be at in terms of the profits wise. Mm, yeah, we'll just hold on to it for now. Euro yen trend is up. This is there's a bit of if I can notice, there's a bit of yeah, there's a bearish divergence, but price has not played out yet. Looks like it's testing its high over there. So, but that being said, with the stop loss being really close, uh, so that's euro yen. I wanna hold it there, but I'm a bit skeptical. Um, Yeah, just let the price play out. If it touches and come back down, so be it. We just made a trade that it's not the right trade, I'll say. Um, but that being said, it's a very good pricing to be at. I think if I can do it better, I probably would shift the stop loss a bit more. But then again, I don't know what's a good stop loss to put it just on the daily chart. So we look at monthly chart, um, probably too far out. Weekly chart would be a better one. Uh, so this is the high, 126.8145. Mm-hmm. Yep, we moved the stop loss for euro yen 126.814 for this thing to be at somewhere here, which is the high 126.8145. If it gets to that level, we're definitely wrong, so we'll just absorb the losses. But with the lines showing that there's a short-term kind of weakness, I think we can take an approach to that. So this is for euro yen. For euro dollar, we are seeing trend up. This is down flat and blue line is down. So no trades in terms of is in its cross current mode. So very strong movements in terms of over the past months. Uh, should we take out profits? I think we should. Should we continue? Mm, we could. So I guess I'll take out profits for euro. Um, just because we have write out a pretty good. Is that right? Yeah. Okay. So just because we have made significant profits from this trade, I think it's good to take out a bit earlier. Of course, there's a chance that it could go way higher, which is what I expected. But I think getting out earlier would be something that I like to do. To put it into the account, I think that's more important for the trade's health. So yeah, so since it's on a cross current mode as well. For pound yen, we actually bought um, at a high, and it looks like it's coming off right now. And taking off these higher numbers seems to be making the trade a little on the cross current mode to the flat-ish side. So pound yen, pound yen, why did I even buy? Mm-hmm. Pound yen, trend up, red line is up, blue line is down. Over the next couple of days, it's it seems like price is running away. Based on trend, we could trade, but over the next 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, trend is not the most strongly up. With my stop loss there, what are we looking at? Pound yen, pound yen. I can't remember why I buy. I mean, looking at the picture, so I have to look back at the situation. And did I buy based on a weekly or Monday or daily? Okay, so there's this bullishness there in the monthly. So at least that's a saving grace. Higher lows on a weekly. Okay, that makes sense. But on the daily, so let's see. Trend is up, red line is up, so we can justify being long. But if price continues to stay around this area, we're likely to see that trend gets a bit flat. So I think I'm not sure why I made this trade looking back, pound yen. And I made it yesterday. So on the longer picture, bigger picture, it looks like it's going up. But in the shorter term, day to day, it seems like it's not the right trade to make. Okay, I'll probably give it a couple of days more before I start to take out this trade. Yeah, just because give it some time to play out. If not, I will be out in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in a week's time. But I probably wouldn't take the trade if I would do it again. For pound, trend is up, red is flat, blue is down, so it's on a cross current mode, and not a good time to enter as of now. So we will wait it out. But price actually did a pause, and now has been on a low of the third day. So we could look at buying, but waiting for the blue and the red line to be in line. For gold, gold has been inching upwards constantly and is on a pretty strong trend. There is a bearish divergence formed already, but since we lost on the trade, I think we'll just skip this out on the bearish divergence. Maybe a bit too early. We could do it like another time, but I think we'll just observe for now. Heating oil trend up, red line down-ish, flat, blue line is up. We'll take off these higher numbers, and then trend is looking for the red line looking to be a bit more flat, so no trade. Live cattle trend is up, this is pretty flat. It will be taking off these higher numbers. So generally a flat line for these numbers. So we'll just skip for now. All right, for loonies, we are long, but it started to go down further. So it will take off these numbers over the next couple of days or to a week. So if price it will start if price stays around this area, start to become really it start turning up in terms of the red line. So it will probably be very close to my stop loss, but I'm hoping not, as its last breath of movement before it comes up. So let's see on this loonies. For now, I'm not exactly the most right in terms of the trade, but I'm hopeful that this will be in place, especially in the next couple of weeks. I think even it's just next week, because 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, even the next 1, 2 weeks, things should start changing. So I'm a bit early into this trade. Should I even buy more? That's the big question. I think I could. Looking at the movements in terms of the divergence being formed. So we just hold on to this trade for now. So I'm currently having 4 open trades, out of which 3 is making losses. 1 is making some nice profits. So we will just continue observing. Cotton cash, we could make, that could be a case of, we just hold on to this trade. That's fine. Okay, guys, I'll see you guys tomorrow.